software, an application is a software program designed for end user to perform specific tasks such as writing documents, playing games, or watching videos. It directly meets the user needs. Example, include Microsoft Word in Facebook or Net. So ito naman, ito ay mga software na ginagamit para sa mga personal o pang-industry need, tulad ng Microsoft Word, Facebook, and Fortnite. So Next is the application platform. Application IP is an any hardware or software that hosts an application or service. It provides a foundation that ensures the code executes successfully. Platforms streamline development by offering stable environment with the tools and framework, example including the operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, web browsers, and cloud computing. So dito naman sa application, ito nagsisilbing kasi kung saan marami ng pagkatakbo ng mga software application tulad ng mga operating system, kaya example neto, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Next is, meron tayong key differences kung nandito ang purpose. Application accomplish tasks for specific purpose based on user request. Platform provides the foundation for application to function. Pangalawa is functionality. Application directly meet user needs while platform allows application to execute effectively. Dependence. Application depend on platforms to run. Mobile app needs iOS or Android. Platforms can exist without application but they may not be useful to the end user in the state. Application software can be function independently. Next naman is yung development. Development of platform generally requires more resources and broader scope than developing of the application. Platform must provide services to multiple applications and handle various tasks simultaneously. Flexibility. Application are designed for specific tasks with a defined set of functions. Platforms are more flexible to support a wide range of applications with different functionalities. User interaction naman. User interact directly with the application but interact with the platform and directly through application. For example, a user interacts with the Facebook application platform. So meron tayo ditong 3 types of platforms. Dito yung mobile development platforms, desktop development, and web development platforms. So sa mobile may Android Studio, Xstudio, Electron.net. Sa desktop, Electron.net. Tapos sa web
Web application framework. Tools that help developers build website and web application. They can include pre-built components, best practices, and security features. And simplified code execution, database integration, and API integration. Interaction. Angular is a full-fledged front-end framework developed by Google using TypeScript for large-scale application. Key features: two-way data binding, dependency injection, TypeScript-based, modular development, and CLI command line interface. Next is Vue.js, progressive JavaScript framework focused on simplicity and flexibility used for building interactive UI components. Key features: reactive data binding, which are low component-based structure, lightweight and flexible, and easy to learn curve. Next is Laravel. Laravel is a PHP-based web framework designed for building modern, scalable application. This follow the model views controller MVC architecture and emphasize elegant syntax, developer-friendly tools, and built-in security to streamline web development. Key features is Replit ORM, blade templating engine, routing system, authentication and security, artisan CLI, MVC architecture, queue management, rich ecosystem, and community. Next is Django, is high-level Python web framework that promotes rapid development with clean and pragmatic design. Key features: MTV, model template view, built-in security features, ORM, objective relational mapping, scalability and performance, and batteries included approach. Next is Express.js. Express.js is a minimal and flexible framework that provides a robust set of features for web and mobile application. It's relatively minimal, meaning many features are available as plugins. Express facilitate the rapid development of Node.js-based web application. Key features is minimal and unopinionated, gives developers full control over application, structure, and components. Fast performance built on Node.js, make it highly efficient for real-time application. Middleware support, flexible routing system, full-stack JavaScript, large community, and ecosystem. Next is Flash. Flash is microweb framework for Python that lightweight, flexible, and designed for simplicity. Unlike Django, which is full-fledged framework, classes give the developer more control over how they build their application by letting them add only the feature they need. Key features is micro framework, lightweight and minimalistic, modular design, Ninja 2 templating engine, built-in development server and debugger, RESTful API support. Next is Apsinet. Apsinet is a web framework developed by Microsoft for building dynamic web application, API, and services. It supports multiple programming languages, C#, VBNet, and F#. Its front-to-the-net platform make it highly versatile and scalable. High features is high performance, MVC architecture, security and authentication, modular and scalable, singular R for real-time apps, and dependency injection. Next is Ruby on Rails. Ruby on Rails or ROR or Rails is server-side web application framework written by Ruby. It follows a modern view controller MVC architecture and emphasizes convention over configuration, meaning developers can build application faster and less manual setup. Key features is convention over configuration, scaffolding, active record ORM, rich ecosystem community, and widely used for companies. Next is React.js. React.js is open source library used for mobile and web development. It enables developers to build reliable, fast, and scalable web application. It's first on UI in the application and enables the create of usable UI components. Key features: component-based architecture, visual DOM, single-page application, rich ecosystem. Next is Spring. Spring is a Java-based framework for building enterprise-level application, web service, and microservice. Key features is enterprise-grade, Spring Boot for rapid development, high performance and scalability, robust security, microservice support, and integration with Java ecosystem.